Racing just started. We have Redemption. Break quickly at the start is Maria Senorita Monica. Poker Face moving up on the outside. Mamika. Lord of the Sun. Then next online is Security Check. Carefree Treasure. May bukas pa. While Stormtrooper is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Mamika takes command by Link. Redemption is right there in second. Poker Face is racing in third. Alongside fourth comes is Marias. Lord of the Sun comes next. Senorita Monica. Security Check. Carefree Treasure. May bukas pa. While Stormtrooper is still racing in last. Back to the leader. Mamika by Orando's Redemption. Lord of the Sun now moving up on the outside is Martinez is racing in fourth. Poker Face, then comes Senorita Monica. Security Check, Carefree Treasure, may bukas pa. Well, Stormtrooper is still racing in less. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Redemption by Oralenka. Moving up on the outside is Lord of the Sun with about 150 meters more to run. We have Redemption this time by about 4 lengths. Lord of the Sun in second. Senorita Monique is racing in third. And finally the program opener, Redemption. Lord of the Sun, then comes Senorita Monique, Carefree Treasure is Marias, and Poker Face.
Redemption.